back to Shesinherapron. Okay, welcome to the first Clean With Me video of 2019. So you're gonna see us clean up Christmas, pick up the house, and put it back in order. It feels so good. If you're new here, I decorate my house pretty much from September all the way to Christmas with fall decor, Halloween, Thanksgiving decor, Christmas decor. My house is crazy busy with decorations for a few months. So when we put it all away after Christmas, the house feels so good. I love to decorate for the holidays, love it, but I also love putting it away and just feeling the calmness of it all. So join me as we clean and get our house ready for the new year.
Like the whole time, the ground feels a little bit shaky. Oh, oh, but lately my head is spinning around in a circle. I hear a whisper telling me to be brave. You better dive into the water. Dive into the water. You've been waiting too long. Get in the water. Get into oh, dive into the water. Dive into the water. You've been waiting too long. Get in the water. Oh, 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 oh. Maybe this can feel a bit scary. You're close to the water. Hope your feet will be ready. But maybe you just need a little bit faith now. So you better step out and get a little bit wet. Oh, oh. Dive into the water. Dive into the water. You've been waiting too long. Get in the water. Get into oh, dive into the water. Into the water. You've been waiting too long. Get in the water. Oh, oh. So what if you are in too deep? And all the winding roads, the bumpy rides, decisions that you made, you have to take another leap. Close your eyes and believe me when I say, don't be afraid. Dive into the water. Dive into the water. You've been waiting too long. Get in the water. Get into oh, dive into the water. Dive into the water. You've been waiting too long. Get in the water. Oh, you better dive into the water. Dive into the water. You've been waiting too long. Get in the water. Into oh, dive into the water. You've been waiting too long. Get in the water. Oh, oh.
Cause I don't wanna wait, no. No, I don't wanna wait, no. Hey yo, what's the matter? I got the sun in my eyes and you in my mind. Sure, I got a lot to learn about love. Hey, summer's waiting for us, you know, the everlasting one. No matter if your heart is cold, I got plenty of time and heat for you. We got plenty of songs to choose from. We got plenty of rooms, just pick one. We got sandal shoes in the middle of June while the J-Box playing our favorite tune. Don't wanna start, give this
friends for joining us today. Appreciate it. Hope you're doing good, and Happy New Year. We'll see you soon. Bye.